y'all? Sugar Brianna Christine, and I'm back at you with another video, and today we are doing a fragrance review. So as y'all already know, for years, since Kim Kardashian came out with the first fragrance, everybody has been obsessed, and you know, I just wanted to know what the hype was. So I did go ahead and purchase a few KKW fragrances, nothing crazy, but I had to check for myself, and I figured I gotta share with y'all. So if you're excited to see my opinion about these fragrances, make sure you give your girl a big ol' thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and make sure your notification bell is on. My name is Brianna Christine, and welcome. Let's jump into this review. Okay, so I did end up making two purchases with KKW Fragrance. The first one was online, and then the second one was actually in Ulta. Kim had a sale, and it was actually her Trio Purse Spray fragrance set. So I figured, oh my God, this is perfect because I can do a little samples, and there was actually a discount. So I ended up getting this, I think for like $31.45 with shipping and tax or whatever. I think it was like $41. Something like that. So I thought this was a perfect time to go ahead and try these out. This is what they look like. Alrighty, so this Trio Purse Spray, this comes with Crystal Gardenia, Emerald Diamond, and Body. This is Body 1. As of now, she only has Body 3 available on her website. Body 2 was available in Ulta. I have yet to be able to find it. Yeah, it's always just the sample that they have in there that everyone sprays, but they don't actually have any more for purchase, at least nowhere in the tri-state area that I have found. If you know somewhere that has Body 2, go ahead and comment down below. And then, you know, Body 1, they haven't made for a long time, so I'm like, since I'm late to the bandwagon, this trio was a perfect purchase so I could really see what the hype was. So this trio was actually created by Kim. It's supposed to be 3 of her favorites. Emerald Diamond I was very intrigued by because my birthstone is an emerald, and I was just curious. And then Body 1, I just wanted to know what it smelled like since it's not available in stores. This is a perfect way if you like Body 1 and you have it or you had it, you should get her Trio Purse Spray before they get rid of it, because it seems like every time something comes up, they get rid of stuff. So keep that in mind. And then Crystal Gardenia, they actually have the big size, but if you want to get a little sample size, because you could travel with this, put this in your purse, your gym bag, whatever the case may be, or you know, little gifts. You know, if you get stuff like this, you just drop, you know, one in there in the little gift bag. So this is definitely, you can make this work. So each bottle is 10 milliliters, and that is a pretty good size. So like I said, with the discount, the shipping, the taxes, blah blah blah, that good stuff, pretty much like $10 and some change for each bottle, so that's not too bad. Depends on how crazy you spray perfume. I switch up my fragrances all the time, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna last me for a while. So this first one's Crystal Gardenia. I don't know nothing about top notes, middle notes, long notes, end notes, whatever the case notes, but I'll put them on the screen so this way if you're into fragrance, I'm not like a perfume expert, fragrance expert, cologne, nothing like that, but I will put all the information on, you know, the screen so y'all can see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and spray it. And I'm gonna just give you a regular person that don't, you know, just trying to smell. Okay, so for one, this definitely is strong, and it's a very strong floral scent. So if you like flowers, like if you're the type of person that likes to get flowers, that likes to put flowers in their home, you definitely will like this. It's not too like old smelling. You know how some perfumes will smell like, damn, that smell like somebody like 70 and up. No disrespect. Hey, y'all can look sexy and all that too. I'm not being disrespectful. I'm just saying, like, some scents, you know, a little bit too strong. It's stronger than I thought, but I really do actually like this. And to be honest, I actually sprayed this before, and I had my boyfriend smell it as well, and he was like, I'm actually not mad at that. It's not a sweet smell, and it doesn't smell musky. It smells like straight up floral. This is like a, I'm going out, I'm going to a wedding. This is a very sexy, grown and sexy, but like feminine floral scent. This is not like one of those like sexy caramelly or like sweet cutesy type of smells. This is a very like, I'm grown and pow, I'm here, if that makes any sense. Okay, so this one, not mad at. So this next fragrance is Emerald Diamond, Benzoin, and Orange Blossom Nectar. Okay, all right, Kim. Are you using all of this words and all that stuff to say it's worth your money? I'ma see if it's worth the money. I'ma smell it. Let's go ahead and see what this is working with. So we go like this, and I've just been doing one spritz, you know, two little spritz. By the way, this Crystal Gardenia, I'm still smelling it. It has not faded yet. This smells more fresh, and I don't know if I like this one. This might have to grow on me. Okay, this also smells florally, but it smells like a diamond. Like it's giving me a little bit of Elizabeth Taylor-ness to it. This smells like somebody with some money, but like kind of older. I feel like I might have to get used to this. I do smell like an evergreen type of smell. It's giving me like a green, not a woodsy, but like a tree, like a, I don't want to say like a balsam smelling, but it's giving me like a evergreens with a hint of like, it's a little bit masculine, but not in a bad way, but it's also like fresh, clean smelling. I think I would just have to get used to it. Honestly, as it's fading, it smells better. When I first put it on, it was like, we're gonna come back to this. There's like some note in there that's like, I don't know if I'm feeling. But then again, keep in mind, everybody's body chemistry is different, so it might smell different to me than it would on your body. You know, you get what I'm saying? So sometimes that happens. I'll be like, that smells funky. And then somebody else smells like, damn, that smells good. So, you know, keep that in mind. Okay, so the last fragrance from this trio set is Body. So this is Body 1. Everybody was like, oh my God, Kim put her naked body out there. Y'all remember that. Now, since then, it's been like years since she came out with that. Now it's no longer available unless you get it from like another market or something like that. But I figure instead of spending $60, she got it available in here. Let me see if I even like it. And I think it's supposed to be like universal or something like that. So let's see. I feel like people have like varying opinions on this one. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go. Let that. Let it bake a little bit. It smells sandy. It smells woodsy. I don't like that. I don't know if I like that. Oh, Kim. Let me let that soak in there for a little bit. Let me see if it might just be the initial effect that I don't like. Kim's Body number 3. I have not smelled that, but I did smell Kim's Body number 2, and I genuinely like that. I really, really wanted to purchase that. They didn't have it available, and then I saw they had it at Ulta, and they don't have it nowhere around here. So I don't know what's going on. Can't find it online, can't get it on ultabeauty.com, nothing. So it's like heartbreaking. I really wanted that one, and I so wanted to like Body because everybody was hype about it and still hype about it. So let me just see now that it's settled a little bit. This is giving me like Abercrombie & Fitch Hollister scent. Like when you walk into those stores, like back in the day, you know, junior high, high school, you go in there, it's like, bam! That's what it's giving me, but a little bit more like beachy. Not sweet beachy, but like, you know, your boo thing, your man, you know what I'm saying, is wearing like that masculine scent, beach scent. Literally, you put that in a bottle, this is what it kind of smells like. So this is, I see why people say this is universal, because if you like masculine scents, and not like strong masculine, but like if you like those scents, you'll like this. Or if you just kind of like want like something like at night or like in the summer, but you want it to be a little bit more strong and not as like sweet and coconutty and all that type of stuff. I think it has to grow on me. To be honest, I think it has to grow on me. All 3 of them, I feel like they smell better once they settle into your skin. Next fragrance is from Kim's, you know, KKW Fragrance. This actually has been out for a few years as well. If you haven't noticed it already, it is one of her crystals, and it is the Crystal Gardenia. So, yes. Out of those, Crystal Gardenia is my favorite, and so that's why I ended up getting the larger size, and I just like the way the bottle looks. And honestly, it was the only thing that was available when I went to Ulta. So I was like, no, whatever, let's just get it. My boyfriend was like, go ahead, get it. So I was like, ka-ching. But anyway, so you can't really see the labeling, but it just says KKW Fragrance. It's like a little bit pushed out, but it's kind of like the same color. That's why you can't see it on camera. A little package, I love it. Yeah, it just has the bottle in there. So let's take that out for you. And it has a little like pouch in here. What's the, oh, is there crystals in here? Oh snap, there's little crystals in here. How cute. Okay, Kim. Okay, Kimmy. Okay, Kim K. Okay, so it comes like with a little pouch. Something came out. Let me open it, because I ain't know who's getting extra gifts. Oh, wow. Okay, so it comes with, how many is in here? Oh shoot, I'm just dropping them all over the place. Lord Jesus. Okay, so it comes with 3 little crystals and they're clear quartz. So clear quartz is for awakening. So it says clear quartz awakens, an amplifier of energy, brings balance and alignment to all areas of the mind and body. Wow. And I've always said like maybe I want to get into crystals. So I know it came with all of that bougie stuff. Okay, boo. Okay, so this is the bottle. The only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't sit up. You have to put it flat on the table. So like if you don't have the space for that, that's not really helping me, baby. I want to put it up like this. But besides that, I love the bottle. It's nice and clear. It's simple. You could, you know, put this in a extra, like no matter what your room decor is, you can definitely have this in there. I just love that it's a crystal. Oh, and on the bottle also has KKW, right, when you take off the top. So this is cute. Oh, look, I'm already about to break it. Oh, Lord. I don't even have it for a day. I'm about to break it. So this bottle is 75 milliliters. So that's 2.5 fluid ounces. I will definitely be just fine with this, especially because I have the purse size. So I'll be more than good. Honestly, I like the Kardashians. I love me some Kimmy, always have. And well, everything that she's been going through lately, it just made me respect her a little bit more. They are very controversial. When they be doing their messiness and their shit, I am not here for that. I'm not one of them people that be like, I don't care what they do. Whatever they do is gold. No. But nobody's perfect. So I respect the hustle, okay? I respect the hustle. They be doing their thing, okay? So I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, I like Crystal Gardenia. I don't know about the other ones. The other ones smell a little funky funk on me. I don't know. But let's see. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna see what they smell like now that it's been a little bit and it's settled into my skin. This first one is Crystal Gardenia. This smells really good, but it's very florally, and I feel like I've been trying to find a floral fragrance because I really like sweet scents or like not musky, but I guess musky scents. Not necessarily on me all the time, but I am more of like a sweet, warm type of scents I like to put on my body. So I've been wanting to get a fragrance that's not too like, I feel like I want to cough. And this Crystal Gardenia definitely is something up my alley. Now this body, I don't know, it smells a little chemically to me. It's a little off. I'll give y'all an update. Follow me on Instagram. Maybe I need to wear it and just see how my relatives and friends feel about it and see what they think. And then I'll get back to y'all. So, you know, stay tuned on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me. The link will be down below in the description box. And let's just see if I just eventually become, to like this scent. Let's see about the emerald. The emerald diamond too is a little off. I don't know if it's for me, so we're gonna see if that's for me, but the Crystal Gardenia I'm here for. Just wanted to just go ahead and do a little review, see how I felt about it, have y'all see, my reaction and my review. As in terms of if it's worth it, honestly, if you like, the Kardashians, particularly Kim Kardashian, and if you want, the bottles for like the collection or anything like that, it's worth it. I think it's fine. As far as the scent, I think personally the purse trio that she had available was a really good purchase because you're able to sample and see what you like. And if you don't like it, it's not too horrible. You know what I mean? Because when you purchase something and it's like $60+ just for one bottle and you end up not even liking it, it's heartbreaking. But I got that, like I said, for like $40. That's with shipping and tax and all that good stuff. So I thought that was worth it. I was able to see that I like Crystal Gardenia. The other two I'll hold off, or eventually, you could gift it. Like I might gift it to somebody that I know, and we paid it for it and it wasn't crazy price. So I'm here for that. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a big old thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.